before we begin the installation. 2 quick reminders for you. 1. This mounting bracket does not include actual speakers. 2. Please double check your speaker size matches our 6.5-inch specification before proceeding. Alright, let us start. First, place your 6.5-inch speaker into the bracket. Then use an M5 drill bit to drill holes on the bracket along the screw holes on the audio system. Secure the speaker using the provided screws, washers, and nuts from your accessory kit. Remember to connect your speaker wiring harness according to your own manual. Now, carefully remove this retaining screw, but keep it handy. We will reuse it later. Position the assembled bracket at mounting location in the vehicle. Reinstall that saved screw to lock the bracket in position. Next, use the included self-tapping screws to reinforce all remaining mounting points. Repeat these identical steps for the opposite side installation. Your installation is complete. Tips: if the self-tapping screws feel stubborn during installation, pre-drill holes with an M3 bit first to make the fixing process much smoother. Now enjoy your driving.